and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to show you how to make mud paint. Yes, that's right, mud paint. We would like to thank Felicia for her input and suggestion. The materials you will need are commonly found around the home, like a small container to put the mud paint in, dirt, water, food colouring, leaves, twigs, rocks and sticks. Get your container, put your dirt in with water and add food colouring if you wish. Using the rocks, leaves, twigs and sticks you can then use as paintbrushes.
I did anything. I'm finished.
Let's start painting. If you like watching our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel.